Hey everyone, this video will be on how to change exponential form to logarithmic form and then logarithmic form to exponential form. So I wanted to show you something that may help you remember what goes where. When we are going from exponential to logarithmic, we're simply going to make an L in the problem. You're going to start the L here. It has to be set up where your big base is here, raised to the exponent equals a number or a variable or whatever it is over their expression. So you start by making an L and you go here, you go over, you loop up, and you can see the L right there in the problem. So what happens there is you're going to do log, because you're going to logarithmic form. The first thing you touch is going to be the first number that you write, which would be the small base, and then you would go to the 7, and then that would equal the x. So then you have changed from exponential to logarithmic. Okay, so here it's exponential form. Again, you have your base here raised to your exponent equals 9. Make your L. So you would have log base 7 of 9 equals 2x plus 1. Okay. Number 3 is a little bit different because the base is not on the right side, so you would have to either make your L backwards or just switch the order. I suggest you switch your order like that. So all you did was switch this to the left side and this to the right side. Everything stays the same. Then make your L. So start up here, go across, and then loop back around. So you're changing to logarithmic form. You have log base 7 of 13 equals x minus 8. Here's another one. You would have 5 log base x of 8 equals 8. So here was the exponent, so I'm going to put that to the left side. Now let's make our L. So we would have L to go to the 5, 8, and then loop back around. So we'd have log base 5 of 8 equals log base x of 8. Okay, and the last one in this example, you're going to have 9 raised to the log base 9 of x equals 4. So it is set up on the left side correctly, so start with here. Start with the log base 9 of 4 equals log base 9 of x. So again, this is what goes over here. It doesn't matter how complicated the expression looks. As long as you do the L, the first thing it hits is your smaller base, and then of that number, and then your exponents on the other side. That's if it's set up this way, where you have your base and exponent equals a number or an expression. All right, so now let's change from logarithmic form to exponential form. So in this transformation, you know your answer is going to have a big base with an exponent. It's going to look something like this that we just covered up. Here we were going from exponent to logarithmic form, and here we're going from log to exponent form. So another shortcut here is if you start here and you touch that one and you go through it, you notice that I just made a cursive E. Or if I keep extending that, it kind of looks like a printed E. So either way, it's an E. So again, whatever it touches, that's what you're going to write first. So we have 4, we touch that first, to the 8th power equals x plus 1. Same setup here. If the log is on the left side, this works. If it's not, you either have to make a backwards E or just flip the problem around. So again, let's do that. So we're going to start with the base 5, hit the 9, and go to x. There's our E. So we would have 5 to the 9th equals x. Okay. Number 3, your log is not on the left side. You can either do it backwards, make it backwards E, or just take a second and rewrite it. So you would start here, hit the 9 and go to the 4. So x to the 9th equals 4. All right, I hope that helps you.